3 new models in 2 weeks, agents that fix their own CI failures, and the internet losing one of its oldest open data sources. All that and more on today's episode of The Download. We're back! Welcome back to another episode of The Download, the show where we cover the latest developer news and open source projects. Please like and subscribe. Hi, I'm Andrea, and I debug all this news so you don't have to. Let's get to it. New month, new models. February 5th delivered a double feature. GPT 5.3 Codex hit general availability for Copilot, and Claude Opus 4.6 dropped in the same day. Then this week, Claude Sonnet 4.6 joined the lineup, the most agentic sonic model shipped to date. That is 3 major model upgrades shipping to GitHub Copilot in a couple of weeks. We are moving fast. And in sunsetting news, the CIA World Factbook, one of the oldest continuously published public intelligence documents on the internet, has been sunset. For years, it was this beautiful, weird, open data resource that just sat there being useful, and now it's gone dark. The internet's memory keeps getting shorter every year. And speaking of things disappearing, but this one you are gonna like. Unwanted pull requests. GitHub shipped new repo level controls, so your repos don't become magnets for AI-generated noise and drive-by contributions. 2 new toggles. One to hide the PR type completely, and a second to lock it down to people you actually trust. Simple, elegant, and about time. Great work, team. And in more GitHub news, GitHub also announced Agentic Workflows. This one is worth explaining. Please hang with me. You write a markdown file describing what you want done, like triage a new issue or investigate CI failures, and it compiles into a GitHub Actions workflow. An agent, whether it's Copilot, Claude Code, or OpenAI Codex, picks it up and runs it automatically, on a schedule, or triggered by events. It's not replacing your CI/CD pipeline, it's running alongside it, handling the recurrent things that nobody wants to do manually. Think auto-labeling issues, keeping docs in sync with code changes, or investigating why your build broke at 2 a.m. The machines are fixing their own mistakes. And one more GitHub announcement, Agent HQ. Coding agents from Anthropic and OpenAI, Claude, and Codex are now running directly inside of GitHub. Available in public preview for GitHub Copilot Pro and Enterprise users, you can assign them issues, they write code, they open PRs. You can even assign the same issue to multiple agents and compare how they approach it. No extra subscription required, and each session uses just one premium request. Plus, there is now a /fleet command in the GitHub CLI. This new command for multi-agent orchestration is amazing. And in open source news, we are once again talking about the lobster. OpenClaw's creator Peter Steinberger is joining OpenAI to drive the next generation of personal agents. I'm quoting his blog. He had offers from both Meta and OpenAI and chose OpenAI. The project moves to a foundation and stays open source. Congratulations to Peter, and what exciting times for the OpenClaw community. And one more thing before we go, the Agile Manifesto turned 25 this month. 4 values, 12 principles, and somehow we're still arguing about what working software means. Happy quarter of a century, you are older than some of our interns. And that's all for now. Please let me know in the comments your thoughts on any of the topics that we discussed. And if you like this episode, please hit like, hit subscribe, send it to a friend. See you next time.